Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. It's football season time, or grand final time, with Bathurst next weekend. So let's make up a nice sweet corn dip that we can munch on while we watch the games. Alright, here I've got around about a cup and a half of just frozen corn kernels. Into that I'm adding a little bit of onion powder, and that goes in, and a little bit of celery salt. Okay, I'm just going to put that straight over the top. It's going to be around about half a teaspoon of each of these little spices, and some garlic powder that's going on, and around about 2 tablespoons of sugar, believe it or not. Yes. Now I'm just going to cover that with some room temperature water, and that's what we're going to start with. Right, I've got my little pot on the hot plate. I'm going to attempt to pour all this corn and all that spice mix straight in. Some of it will stick to the bottom of the pot, unfortunately, or bottom of the bowl, unfortunately. And all we're going to do is we're going to bring these up to a boil, and we're going to boil them for about 5 minutes. We're actually going to cook these off a little bit longer than what you normally would. Alright, so they've been boiling away for about 5 minutes. Let it come down to room temperature, put it in the refrigerator, preferably overnight, and let it chill right down. And what's going to happen is that corn's going to soak up all of that beautiful flavour. So once it's really chilled down, I mean very, very cold, we're going to take it out of our little pot here, our little pan here, and I'm just going to put that into a food processor. If you haven't got one of these little ones, you don't know what you're missing. These are absolutely fantastic. Don't forget, spill some of the mixture on the bench as per KP, cooking with KP style. All I'm going to do now is blitz that up and make my own sweet creamed corn. So I just keep blitzing that up. Now all those spices that we put in adds a really great flavour. The sugar just makes it that little bit sweeter. Now what we have here is I've got half a tub of cream cheese. It's a spreadable cream cheese, and I should have taken this out of the refrigerator a little bit early. That's a 250 gram tub. So I'm going to add that in, and around about the same amount again with some sour cream. That just goes straight in. Now, because I didn't let things warm up enough, I've had to use a fork to mix all of this through. So I'm just going to quickly mix all those, all that cream and cream cheese together, and now we can add our corn straight in on top like that. Very, very basic, very simple, and a very tasty recipe, perfect for any party, this one. Alright, so all you need to do now is mix all of those together. Check it for seasoning. If you think it needs a little bit of salt, add some salt. You could even add a little bit of pepper if you wish. Another hint too, you could also add a little bit of dried dill. Well, there you go. KP's really easy sweet corn dip. I'd like to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this recipe. I really do appreciate it. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. It gives me confidence. It should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. But more importantly, if you want to learn how to make nice little sides like this, hit that subscribe button. Come join the family, my family. Alright, I will catch you next time.